All right, our 10th bird is the white tern, Gyges alba or Gyges alba. The white tern is a small, pure white seabird found in tropical and subtropical oceans. It's known for its graceful flight and unusual habit of laying eggs on bare tree branches. A fun fact about the white tern is that this bird wins the no nest challenge. It literally just lays its eggs on a bare branch, on a bare tree branch. There's no fuss, no nest, just a lot of balance. Hi everyone. Welcome to another episode on BHS Africa Podcast with me, your host, Julian. On BHS Africa Podcast, we talk about all things marine science, the ocean, sometimes I look at lifestyle and I also say poems, and more. For I dream of a world where our oceans are used sustainably and our climate is not ruined because of how we choose to live today. Today, we are continuing our series on marine science bits, which is our section on the podcast where we just talk about everything that concerns the Indian Ocean. Our focus today is on seabirds that are endemic to the WIO region. WIO region stands for the Western Indian Ocean region, and it's made up of 10 countries, including Somalia, Kenya, Tanzania, Mozambique, South Africa, Comoros, Madagascar, Seychelles, Mauritius, and La Réunion, which is a French territory. These countries all share a coastline along the Western Indian Ocean and are part of the Nairobi Convention, which is a regional agreement focused on sustainable management of the marine and coastal environment, at least according to the United Nations Environment Programme. So let's get into it. So there are so many classes of seabirds, and the WIO region, or the Western Indian Ocean region, is home to several of these main classes. This includes the albatrosses, the petrels, shearwaters, tropic birds, boobies, frigate birds, gulls, terns, cormorants, and penguins. These birds are often found breeding in colonies on islands or remote coastal areas. Some key groups like frigate birds, tropic birds, terns, and boobies dominate tropic waters, while albatrosses and petrels frequent more temperate pelagic zones. So the first bird that we'll look at is the wandering albatross, also called, or rather the scientific name is Diomedia exolans. I hope I'm pronouncing that properly. So the wandering albatross, also known as the snowy albatross or the white-winged albatross or the gunny, is a large seabird from the family Diomedidae. It's native to the Southern Ocean. It breeds on subantarctic islands like Prince Edward Islands, Crozet Islands, and Kerguelen in the Indian Ocean. This albatross is known for its extensive flights and massive wingspan, characterized by white plumage, dark wingtips, and a large pinkish salmon bill. This is the marathon champion of the skies. This bird doesn't just fly, it glides for days without flapping, cruising over the Indian Ocean like it's not going where. It's got nowhere to be and all the time in the world to fly. So it's a really beautiful bird, as you can see from there, flying from the media below. So the second bird we'll look at is the red-footed booby, also called the sula sula. So the booby is a large seabird from the booby family, Sulidae. Adults have red feet, though their plumage varies in color. However, don't let the name fool you. Those red feet are made for perching on branches like a tropical ballerina. This booby is also a master diver, plunging like a torpedo to snatch fish. All right, so the third bird that we are looking at today is the greater frigate bird, also known as scientifically Frigata minor or Frigata minor. The greater frigate bird is a large seabird known for its distinctive appearance. Males have a red throat pouch, while females display a white throat and breasts. Fun fact about this bird, frigate birds never get their feathers wet, literally. They are too cool to dive, so they steal food mid-air like true sky pirates. Sounds interesting. Our fourth bird is the beautiful white-tailed tropic bird, also known as the yellow-billed tropic bird. This is the smallest of three related seabirds in the order Phytothontiformes. Its scientific name is Python leptorus. It's found across the tropical Atlantic, the Western Pacific, and Indian Oceans. Fun fact about this bird, with its long tail feathers and all white elegance, it's basically the runway model of the sea world. But make no mistake, it's a deadly squid sniper. Alright, so we are on the sooty tern or Onycoprion fuscatus. The sooty tern is a member of the Laridae family with sleek black plumage and striking white on its forehead, breasts, belly, and underwings. It's a tropical seabird that can remain airborne for years, returning to land only to breed. So a beautiful fact about the sooty tern is that these guys practically live in the sky. Seriously, they can go years without touching land. Try topping that, astronauts. The masked booby, or scientifically known as Sula dactylatra, is a large white seabird with black wings and tail, a yellowish bill, and a distinct dark mask around its eyes. Found in tropical and subtropical oceans, it feeds by plunge diving and nests in colonies. A wondrous fact about the masked booby is that this is the Zorro of seabirds. That black mask isn't for fashion, it's for flair. One of the largest boobies and a beast when it comes to diving. Bird number 7, which is also my lucky number, is the brown noddy, scientifically known as Anuus stolidus. The brown noddy, also known as the common noddy, is a tropical seabird from the Laridae family. It usually nests in elevated spots on cliffs or in short trees or shrubs, rarely on the ground. A fun fact about the brown noddy is that it's brown, quiet, and chill. The brown noddy is basically the introvert of the seabird world, loyal to its mate and super loyal to its coastal nesting zones. It's the Audubon's shearwater, scientifically known as Puffunus ilherminieri. My Italian is interfering. So Audubon's shearwater is a small pantropical seabird from the Procelliridae family. Known for its nocturnal behavior and airy calls, it breeds on remote islands and is most active at night. A fun fact about Audubon's shearwater: this is a compact flyer that zips over the water like a feathered missile. It prefers a quiet island life, so you'll find it in Comoros, Seychelles, all the places where the good stuff is. It's such an island tropical bird. Our penultimate bird, seabird, is the lesser noddy, scientifically known as Anuus tenurostrys. The lesser noddy is a small dark tern with a pale grayish crown and a slender, slightly curved bill. It breeds in large colonies on remote Indian Ocean islands and feeds on small fish and squid. A fun fact about the lesser noddy: it's smaller and sleeker than its cousin, the brown noddy. This one loves the treetop life and is a sucker for mangrove hammocks. Alright, our 10th bird is the white tern, Gyges alba or Gyges alba. The white tern is a small, pure white seabird found in tropical and subtropical oceans. It's known for its graceful flight and unusual habit of laying eggs on bare tree branches. A fun fact about the white tern is that this bird wins the no nest challenge. It literally just lays its eggs on a bare tree branch. There's no fuss, no nest, just a lot of balance. Our bonus seabird of the day is the wedge-tailed shearwater, scientifically known as Ardena pacifica. The wedge-tailed shearwater is a large seabird known for its distinct wedge-shaped tail. It comes in two color morphs, a dark form and a pale one with a white underside. A beautiful fun fact about the wedge-tailed shearwater is that long wedge-shaped tail isn't just for style. It gives this bird serious edge when soaring over ocean waves for hours. Alright guys, that's what I had for you today. This is not an exhaustive list of all the birds of the WIO region, the Western Indian Ocean region. I just picked a few favorites that sounded exciting for this video. You can find more information on seabirds of WIO from so many online resources. There's the Nairobi Convention, UNEP, all these NGOs doing incredible and amazing work in the Indian Ocean space. Thank you for watching, and I hope I'll see you in the next video. Ciao for now.